a buy new be my careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey guys, I'm so nervous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can hear it in my voice that I'm very nervous. Like I am real life nervous to be doing this right now. Like my heart is beating. My goodness, I know. To some people it's so easy to just chop, but for me it's I haven't told anyone that I'm gonna do this. I haven't said it to my friends, my family, no one at all. So I'm here in my bathroom about to do the big chop. All my life I've never had short hair. Like short hair. I know how short it's gonna be, and I've never had my hair that short before. Like I am so nervous. What if I don't like it? I mean, if I don't like it, I can always braid my hair and, you know, wear braids until it grow more or something. I don't know. I have to, like, because my hair is just shedding everywhere. It's breaking. It's just uneven. It's dry. I'm not gonna stand here and pretend that I don't feel ready, because I feel ready. I'm nervous, but I'm not gonna lie. My ring light is popping because right now I'm in my bathroom. It's dark as midnight and look at me, my ring light is popping. So for my big chop, I'm just gonna be using the cheap VO5 conditioner, just the cheap conditioner, and water, so I can see my curl pattern and where to cut. Is already natural, like just a few parts right here. So I have this section to cut off. Oh, by the way guys, I was 13 months and 1 week post relaxer. Wow. I feel like this is a lot of hair. Will you hair this in it? It's just hair. It will grow back, right? So this is the final result. I love it. I love it. It's not completely dry as yet. I was gonna do my makeup and everything, but I am too tired for that. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.